Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're going to talk about circles and how to complete them into a perfect square. So let's begin. So what is the center of the circle given that its equation is x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 12y equals 40? So for these type of questions, you will always need the equation of the circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, what we call the radius. Always remember this, keep that in mind because you will need these. So right now this looks a bit complicated. Let's write it down. I always write the x's and the y's apart because this is too complicated on this. So x squared plus 4x and y squared plus 12y. So you can see I wrote all of these down, but the y's together and the x's together. So right now I will show you this shortcut how to solve this. Always the x and the y, divide them by 2, and the number you get, in this case 2, you always square it. So that means for you, divide it by 2 and square it always. So we're gonna do that at the bottom as well. 6 and square it. So and then you will add this number. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 6 times 6 is 36. And whatever you do, you will always do it on the other side as well. So means we added 36 and 4, which means you have to add it on the other side of the equation as well. Keep that in mind because this is important. We don't want to make mistakes. Now keep this 2 in mind as well. The divided number. Put an equal sign next to it. Equal sign. And open up a parentheses. X plus 2 squared. Why? Because x times x gives us x squared, and 2 times 2 gives us positive 4, right? So that's why I said keep this number somewhere as well. Write it down somewhere. And then at the bottom, I hope you can guess it now, y plus 6 squared. So 6 times 6 is 36, and y times y is y squared. And now how to write this down or find out the center, I will show you this right now. So open up a parentheses. X plus 2 squared plus, always a plus by the way, because on our actual equation of the circle it is a plus. And then open up a parenthesis again, y plus 6 squared, what we did, equals 40 plus 36 plus 4, which will give us plus 4, 80. So let me delete this and give it an 80. So what you're gonna do now, look at this circle, equation of the circle. So it says negative h, right? And we have a positive sign over here, which means our number turns into a negative number. Negative 2. And then look over here and at the y. Negative and positive, which means our number turns into a negative number again. So our center, that means our center is negative 2 to negative 6, actually. This is the choice A, and this is how to find out the center. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.